Health fairs are an excellent way to bring attention to health issues or just promote healthier living. A local nonprofit organization has one coming up that you don't want to miss. And all the details are right here on Polk Place. Next. Welcome to Polk Place. I'm your host, Lauren Lingell. Joining me in studio, we have Linda Hutto and Dorothy Tucker, and both of these wonderful ladies are co-chairing a community health fair project. Guys, welcome. I'm really glad to have you here
Thank you.
And excited to learn a little bit more about what's going on, what you've got planned.
Our event is at First United Methodist Church on Broadway in Bartow, and it's in our education building, which is also Broadway right there. And it's on a Saturday, October 6th, from 10 to 1.
Perfect. Okay, so now how did you all come up with this idea to put together a free community health fair?
Well, we both work in our church, and we wanted to have a project that would serve the community and serve other churches and anywhere that it would possibly reach. And this just came. This was to me, it was a God thing that it was just presented to us, and everything's fallen in place, and it's a go.
So both of you have been working on the event. Dorothy, what have you been doing? And then you'll have to tell me, Linda.
Specifically, I took on the responsibility of getting food vendors for the event.
You're my girl.
Woo-hoo. And I first thought of food trucks, and they're not healthy food trucks, healthy food in food trucks. So I went to the Friday Fest vendors who do have healthy food. Kona Ice is the only one, but the kids have to have a snowball.
Oh, absolutely. So what other kinds of food trucks can we expect there?
We have Dixon's Barbecue.
Okay.
And Cup of Joe, which is coffee and other drinks, I'm sure. He said also smoothies.
Right.
And then we have, I have a person, Orange Blossom Produce, is going to have fresh fruit and vegetables.
Well, that sounds good.
Let me think of some more.
Kettle corn.
Kettle corn. That's it.
See?
We didn't have many, but we have enough to fill up half of our parking lot.
Well, that's perfect. See, I wanted to lead with food to let people know that after they come and learn and maybe, get some health care, that they can get snacked too.
There's healthy food out there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And so tell me more about what you've been working on and what types of vendors, health vendors, we might see there.
Well, we worked really hard on making a well-rounded event, and we have Bartow Regional Health Center involved, Watson Clinic, Anytime Fitness, our church service centers involved, and then some others like GNC and Publix will be there. So we have doctors coming, we have the state health department coming in with flu shots. So we have a lot of different areas to accommodate the public with vision, hearing, teeth, health, your medical screenings from blood work and cholesterol check and everything.
So what kind of screening specifically? Obviously you mentioned vision, but.
Well, they will do a blood pressure check, A1C, diabetes, cholesterol, hearing, vision, and there are other skin screening for cancer, and there are other doctors that will be there available to talk to you if you have an issue that you would like to talk about. They're there for that too.
We also have a physical therapist that will be there.
Yes.
Oh, so really you've got kind of this whole package.
Yes.
And all of this is free.
Free.
To all who attend.
Except for the food.
Except for the food,
Right.
okay? And that doesn't really exclude anyone.
No.
Right, no, it's for all ages, and we've extended it throughout Polk County, and we've had really good response, and we've sent it out to all the local churches, and so it's advertised there. We've visited a lot of different areas, and so there is something there for everybody. In fact, inside we're going to have fruit juice boxes and some fresh produce like apples and bananas to give away to the children that come, because they always want something, and that's something healthy for them.
Absolutely. Tell me a little bit about what your goal is for this community event.
Our goal is to serve the general public and to let them think about their health, to think about healthy eating, to think about taking care of their bodies. And we wanted to, as a church, reach out into the community to do this and present to them a healthy venue to come to.
One thing we have not mentioned is that we do have a anointing prayer room, that we will have ministers there for anyone that would like to have prayers for healing. And tentatively, and I'm pretty sure that we'll have what's called Big G and Little C, which is a care group for people who have survived cancer, and they're from the Assembly of God down the street from us.
Okay. And really, it's kind of like an a la carte event.
Yes.
So you can participate in one thing or nothing at all.
That's right. Just walk around and look.
Or everything. So.
Well, we also have door prizes. And so there will be door prizes for everyone that comes. Not that they'll all receive one, but they'll get a ticket. And at the event, we will call out numbers, and we will have wonderful door prizes.
So what kind of door prizes can I win, Linda? Come on.
Well, ABC Pizza has given us a $45 family meal.
You're talking my language again.
yeah.
Talking about that food again.
GNC is giving us big gift baskets, like $100 plus. Dunkin' Donuts is giving us stuff. Gosh, I can't even think, but we have lots of good door prizes.
Well, I mean, if not for the snow cones and the yum yums, go for the door prize.
That's right.
Go. I think it's a wonderful thing that you're doing, because you give people an opportunity to come out and kind of get a feel for where their health is. Some folks don't make it out to the doctor. Some people are scared of doctors.
That's right.
So it's really a non-threatening environment. So
Yes.
So I think that's really neat that you guys are doing that.
Thank you.
And this is the first year.
Very first year. And it's going really well. We're excited. We've had so many good responses, and we've even been asked, will we do it another year? So that's in our thoughts.
So no pressure there.
No pressure.
One thing that we haven't mentioned is that we have the BIRD Alzheimer's group who checks. They come over to the volunteers in medicine up there at Lakeland. They have a van. They will not have the van, but they will talk about memory loss.
Yeah.
They'll have. We'll have a
I've
person.
heard of that group. They do the memory screenings.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Oh, so they'll come out and they'll kind of talk with people about the process of seeing how the memory is progressing and what's normal aging versus.
We were hoping, and they thought they could get the bus to come, but they won't be able to. But they will hand out information and talk with anyone that's interested.
Well, it's still a great opportunity to talk with somebody about that.
And we also have we did mention the One Blood bus, the big red bus.
Okay.
They will be there to take your blood if you want to donate blood.
That's always such a great thing. I know it's an opportunity for a lot of people that don't have time during the week, but really do want to give back, because it's not exactly something that there's a whole lot of. And I always think of, like, when you give blood, it's really like giving a part of yourself to someone else that's going to be used to support their life. So that's a neat thing too.
Can I talk a little bit about parking?
You sure can.
There is a little bit of parking issue. Everybody knows the location that's in Bartow. we have it all covered. We have a little bit of handicap parking in our front parking lot, but the Bartow Rotary Club has volunteered their services, and they will have people there to direct you to parking. We have some lots near our church that are public parking, and the Bartow Rotary Club is going to be there and take care of everybody and make sure everybody gets parked. So that's been a great thing. That's the Bartow Rotary Club in Bartow, and of course they're a service organization also. And when they heard what we were doing, they jumped on board and said, let us help. So that's a big thing too.
Yeah, you're getting all kinds of people coming together for the good of the community, and that's how it's supposed to be. So
Yes.
wonderful for you.
Our chamber has said they would advertise on their social media. City Hall has jumped in and helped out with some advertising. So everybody said, you know, go for it. This is a good thing for Bartow. So we're excited about that.
Well, I'm excited about it. Mainly the food, but the other things too.
Well,
I think it's
there's some
good.
more food. Publix Bartow is going to be there also.
Okay,
Yeah.
fantastic.
So I don't know exactly what they said. It was going to be good nutrition, if nothing else.
Yeah.
Well, it seems like you've put together a wonderful mix of vendors and fun and food. So very well done, ladies. I hope we get a lot of people out to the event and you have some really good outcomes as a result of those health screenings.
Thank you.
And we'll be back here next year.
First United Methodist Church invites you to their Community Health Fair Saturday, October 6th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in the First United Methodist Church Education Building located at 455 South Broadway Avenue in Bartow. The Community Health Fair is free and open to the public and will include multiple vendors and medical service providers that will be on hand to answer questions and provide free medical screenings. There will also be free flu shots, medical information, and door prizes along with food for purchase. For more information, you can give them a call at 863-608-0459.